Welcome back again. We will study next topic of chapter 7, that is regionalism. India has diversity of race, religion, caste, language and culture. There was underlying unity in the midst of diversity, and diverse people lived in peace and harmony for many centuries. Language, caste and religions are among the significant factors that lead to the emergence of religionisms in the post-independence period. Under this system, people of a particular region demand to have their own control over the region rather than that of the state. India has unity in diversity, in which people following diverse religions, speaking different languages, belonging to different castes, races, and cultures live. No other country in the world is as diverse as India. As a result, the cultural progress of India is not associated with a specific caste or creed, but it is through a unified efforts of people living in entire India. When people speak a common language, share common culture, and live in a certain specific geographical regions for a long time, they develop emotional bondage for one another and also the region. When such feelings become obeisance, they lead to the feelings of religialism. Greedy politicians and various communal groups are the main reasons for creating the feelings of regionalism. These people crush the feelings of people and misguide them for their own motives. People who fuel wrong objectives of regionalism are harmful for national unity and integrity. These people harmful the nation and hinder its progress to fulfill their own benefits they would get through regionalism. These people forget that for a citizen, his country comes first and then his state or region. Language, caste and religion are the three main factors that leads to regionalism. Now the another topic, that is language. When majority of people of a region speak same language, it becomes one of the reasons for regionalism. For example, in India, majority of people residing in North India are Hindi speakers, whereas those residing in South India are non-Hindi speakers. So, non-Hindi speakers demand new regions according to the languages they speak. The State Reorganization Commission created separate states on the basis of language after independence. Now the next factors, that is caste and regionalism. People belonging to a variety of regionalism lives in India. When people belonging to a specific regions are in majority in a region, they tend to dominate that regions. For example, it is given in your textbook, Nagaland, Mizoram, Manipur and Arunachal Pradesh have different customs, tradition, lifestyle and profession. People belonging to these regions have a different way of life compared to the people living in other parts of the country. Another example, that is the Bodo people living in Assam have started strong movements for creating a separation from Assam. Similarly, ULFA is another separatist group of Assam which demands a sovereign Assam. Regionalism lead to the separation of Punjab and Haryana, Jharkhand from Bihar, Chhattisgarh from Madhya Pradesh and Uttaranchal from Uttar Pradesh. At present, Vidarbha region is demanding separation from Maharashtra. It is not in the interest of the nation as unity of country should be more important than demand of one particular region. The Constitution of India declares India as a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and republic country. During the time of reorganization of state, regional demand should not be the priority, but unity of the country should be the main aim. Now the next topic, that is regional inequality. The roots of regional inequality in the regional development can be traced back to the British rule. The British rulers deliberately developed regions like Bombay and Punjab which are beneficial to them. and deliberately neglected provinces like Bihar and Orissa. This led to a wide inequality in social and economic development. India is subcontinental in size, which with large variations in the terrain and natural resources. This results in uneven agricultural production and industrial development. The Planning Commission was established by the Government of India to tackle the issues of regional inequality in socio-economic development and to the to take suitable actions to reduce the regional inequality. However, the regional pressures and political differences lead to a tug of war to have development schemes among the states. As a result, regional inequality, socio-economic development continue to exist. We witness differences among the states in per capita income, level of literacy, education, and health related services, level of industrialization, development of means of transport and communication, and the rate of urbanization. As a result, we have states with high, middle, and low level of development. In additional dimensions has been the regional inequality within the states. Maharashtra is a developed state. Marathwada is the backward region within Maharashtra. Likewise, Rayalaseema was backward region in Andhra Pradesh. Some states in India have very high level of industrialization, whereas there is a little or no industrialization in some states. Regionalism has led to interstates boundary and river water disputes such as those between Maharashtra and Karnataka, Punjab and Haryana. Narrow-mindedness is seen in regions to acquire personal motive related to the flow of water and minerals, industrial, raw materials and agricultural sectors. Regional inequality and narrow-mindedness is extremely harmful to the unity of the country. Active steps should be taken by all the pressure the dignity of the country, fuel its growth and hence make the whole country strong rather than only a state. Now the next topic, that is scientific and technological development. India has made tremendous growth in the field of science and technology in last 50 years. Considering the limited resources and lesser literacy, India's growth in the field of science and technology compared to the other developed countries is worth appreciating. National leaders and scientists like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. Homi Bhabha, Dr. Raja Ramana, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, Dr. C.V. Raman, and Sir M. Vishweswarya and Sam Pitroda in the field of the engineering, and the executors and creators of metro railway projects E. Sridharan have played a very important role in India's growth in science and technology. Similarly, leading institutes such as IISC, it means Indian Institute of Science, IIM, that is Indian Institute of Management, IIT means Indian Institute of Technology, ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization, and Physical Research Laboratory, that is called PRL, are few of the glorious institute of India which have helped India shine at the world level. Indian women have also played an important role in the field of science and technology. The women scientists include botanist means in the vegetation Janki Amma, chemist Azima Chatterjee, Dr. Indira Ahuja in the field of medicine, mathematician Sakuntala Devi, and astronauts Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams. India has accomplished green revolution by the means of advancement of agricultural technology and irrigation schemes. India has become self-sufficient in food grains production. In the areas of nuclear science and technology, India has made a big leap. India has developed nuclear bombs and missiles. India had conducted two successful nuclear tests at Pokhran in Rajasthan. The progress in space research is spectacular. India has launched satellites like Aryabhatta Bhaskara, and Rohini in space. Besides this, India has developed GSLV satellites launch vehicles. In the field of telecommunication and information technology, India has made unparalleled progress. As a result, the use of telephones, mobile phones, televisions, and computers have increased many folds. The use of biotechnology in the industries, energy, agriculture, and health sectors is increasing. The United Nations has decided to observe 21st June as the World Yoga Day, for which India feels proud. So here your chapter is finished. Read your chapter once again and understood this chapter properly. Goodbye ahead.